Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2021 Audi Q5. This is a Premium Plus, finished in Glacier white metallic. It's equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a dual clutch automatic gearbox. So up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. The rest of the body's in really good shape. I will point out that just below the driver door handle there's about a little bit of a half moon or a crescent moon there. You can see that reflection. Back here at the driver rear, same as the front, no curb rash, no scratches, no damage. There were a few little boo-boos back here on the bumper just below the cargo area. They have been touched up. A couple of scars there. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, same as the other two, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Get you guys a look down this body line here. And finally up here at the passenger front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. All 4 wheels look really good. Premium Plus package on this model year includes the 360 surround view camera system, as well as hands-on detection steering wheel. Taking it inside, we've got a black leather interior, nice high gloss wood trim. Rear climate control. We are missing a floor mat for this seat, so we have those ordered. Got a panoramic sunroof and factory installed roof racks. And up here to the business end, driver seat memory, power folding and heated exterior mirrors. Power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. More of that nice high gloss wood grain. Nice big digital instrument cluster and digital radio system. This is all touchscreen. This is equipped with Apple CarPlay. That's part of the convenience package. 3-stage heated front seats. Got your Audi phone box there. Multifunction steering wheel. This is also heated. And your Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus. Very cool. All right, folks. Current mileage there, 61,663. If you have any questions about this car, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. There will also be over 100 photos of this vehicle on our website at autoassets.com.